Cool, now we're gonna start our project. So what you wanna do is to have cursor open and open up your terminal within your cursor. On the top right, you'll see 4 icons. The third one from the right is what closes and opens the terminal. You can see on the bottom. So you wanna copy this line. You could do it by pressing copy. It will show you a tick mark, meaning it copied it. And you're gonna paste it in your terminal, press enter. You would see it ask you to name your project. You're gonna call it shapes again. Don't lose, only use lowercase and no spaces. You could use dash if you want multiple names. You press enter and it will ask you for Coinbase Developer Platform API keys. If you didn't grab this in the last step, simply hold command and press, click, and it would ask you if you want to go to that link. It would also take you, if you just hover over it, you could see the link and you could just drag and copy that link. This is where it would take you to Coinbase Developer Platform. It might ask you to log in or create an account, but what you want to do is to be on Base, Tools, Side Panel, on On-Chain Kit, and here's where you'll find your client API key, copy it, paste it in your terminal, press enter, and if you want to share your data anonymously, press yes. This helps the team to better understand how you're using the tools and improve them. And then it's going to tell you use this line first, so just copy, paste that. It'll take you to your project basically within your terminal, and then you're going to copy paste the second one, which installs the project. All those steps are also outlined here, so just go through this if that was too quickly mentioned. And this is what it would look like when it's installing your project, so don't worry about these things saying warning. It's all good. So then you want to do the third line, copy and paste, and what that would do is that it's going to show your project. So again, copy and paste this in your browser, or just hold command and click to open it up. So then you would just see the template that is basically the plain project before anything gets developed. So at this stage, what we're going to do is to hold control and press C. That exits the project in our terminal. If I keep pressing it, you can see that it's just writing the name of my project. And I want to open up my project in this environment here for better visuals, if not anything else. So just head to the folder where you're storing all your projects and navigate to the project you just created. And you want to open up terminal again. On the top right, those top 4 icons, you want to make sure your right panel is open. That's your AI chat. And then the left one is open, which is helping you navigate your files. On the AI chat side, you want to be on agent, and you want to select Cloud 4. So yours is probably on auto right now. What you want to do is just press auto and then turn auto off and select Cloud, Sonnet 4. Next thing you want to do is to write a product requirement document, or otherwise referred to as PRD. And for getting just the PRD for the project we're going to create together, you just press that link, copy paste this into a new file. Otherwise, you're going to create one by either using Code Guide, which is highly recommended. I haven't personally used it yet. And there is this tool I've created called Prompt Panda. It's not that good yet. I wouldn't really recommend it at this point, but it helps you like plan your project and then gives you a series of prompts to execute it. So what we're gonna do is to head back to cursor, and on the side panel, you see an icon say new file, and we're gonna write pr.md. And you could name this whatever you want. Again, just use lowercase and no space in between the words. And you want to end whatever you named it with .md, meaning it's a markdown format file. Just the same way you have different formats for image files like .png, .jpg. So why do we need this PRD? The goal of the PRD and what PRD is just literally an overview of what is it that you're trying to create. What is your project goal? What are the features that it has? And it helps AI to stay on track, know exactly what you're after, and hallucinate less. The better you do this stage, the less pain you will have later on.